Ever wondered how you're going to cook if you ever lose power? Don't have propane or a fire pit? Maybe just a small yard in the city? You want a small but mighty fire like this to cook on? Well, watch this. By the way, I'm MJ, founder of loadedpotato.org, your refrigerator eliminator. I help you hack your kitchen with quick, easy, budget-friendly meals using only shelf-stable ingredients straight from your pantry. So today I'm firing up the StanBroil ROCKET STOVE, which is great if you have a small yard or limited firewood. You should always have a way to cook your food, whether it be propane, fire pit, or just charcoal. So let me show you how easy it is to get a roaring fire like this in this ROCKET stove. Watch this. This stove is small but mighty. It is easy to travel with minimal smoke and maximum heat. It says the size. It seems small, but it can do a lot. This is the StanBroil ROCKET stove. It's only $70 on Amazon, link below. It's solid carbon steel and much more durable than those flimsy stainless ones that they have for cheap. So let's get started and show you how to make a fire at one of these suckers. Okay, to get this ROCKET stove started, you're gonna wanna put it on a firm surface. I'm just using a table with a cinder block below it, but it has these legs. I'm not sure I would use it on wood. I would probably put something in between the wood and the heat. Once you've got it stationed at a comfortable height that you could cook comfortably on it, about that height, you're gonna want to get yourself some kindling. I'm using juniper wood because I'm in Texas, similar to cedar if you're up north, but you want a high heat wood to start your fire with. So you're gonna wanna get your smallest pieces to start. We are starting this fire without a fire starter. Shocking, I know. You should always be able to start a fire using nothing but what you got. So I've got this juniper kindling and we're gonna start it. So we're gonna put our small pieces right in here, right in the side. As you can see here, it's got this air intake on the bottom. So air is always able to get below it and you're not gonna suffocate your flame. So take your smallest pieces that you can get. Bark, if you have it, helps a lot to get it started initially. Shove the wood in as deep as you can get it. Smallest pieces you can find. I just chopped up this kindling a minute ago, so I've got some pretty decently small pieces here. Okay, once you got a decent amount, not too full amount of kindling shoved in your front here, you're gonna wanna put a couple of tiny pieces on the top that you can light. Little tiny pieces like this. So I'll just rip them off your board however you can. We're gonna wanna remove this just to start it. I'll put it back when we're ready. So now once you got all your kindling and your itty bitty kindling in the top, we're just gonna start it up. You can stick your lighter in the bottom or in the top. I prefer the side. When you are trying to start the fire with your little bits of kindling, just hold the flame on your little bits and let that flame just ignite those little pieces until it lights. And then once it catches, then you can kind of start throwing more little bits on top of it to make it light a little faster. So once you got your kindling nice and started, you're just kind of gonna wanna move your kindling around as you need it to keep it going. And then we're just gonna sit and wait and let the fire start cranking. So it's been about 1, maybe 2 minutes and our fire's already roaring, steaming hot. It starts so fast, you would not believe. So just make sure that you've got your kindling ready to go. I love this unit because as the wood burns, you can keep pushing your kindling in deeper as it burns, which makes it super easy for loading. Once your flame is burning hot like this, you're ready to cook. Your flame is hot, you're ready. It's only gonna get hotter from here. So you can just take your grill top right here. Oops. So you can just take your grill top right here, put it right on the top. Take your pot, and you are ready to cook. So once your fire is blazing, the only thing you gotta do is keep it fueled Make sure you got your pile of kindling nearby, ready to go, and you are ready to cook. Easy rocket stove starting.
Follow me for more amazing ideas and recipes using only shelf-stable ingredients, and check out loadedpotato.org to see all of our recipes, meal plans, grocery lists, and recommended products to save you time, money, and reduce your dependence on the refrigerator. Till next time.